Can you survive through the low lows? Don't know if you'll survive when it all goes down. Say your life, just stay home, home. When it's war, ain't no time, ain't no life down here.
Finally riding the bike after 3 weeks. I really didn't expect to ride with the rain like that today. Anyway, no, seriously, I didn't expect to vlog during the lockdown. Then they say it's gonna be 1 month, then it was another 2 weeks, then it was another 2 weeks and another 2 weeks. So now it's over 2 months now. I really run out of content, you know. Anyway, so now I'm on my way to my weekly. I go out once a week to get grocery and vegetable, things like that. So I only go out once a week of the house. I barely use the bike. I usually use my car. And I come all the way here to Village Square because there's no queue. Otherwise you need to queue up for 1 hour in a bloody SM. So this is a good trick. Village Square, not much people. Let me take you to my grocery shopping. Oh, shit. What is it, 400? That's nice. I never see one in a street. Damn, those speed is nice. I don't know if he's coming like that or no. Don't know. It's nice. See, I got my new KYT TT.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Somehow, every time I take the bike, it needs to rain. It's still raining. Hopefully everybody okay. Shit, man. Beautiful weather today, of course. everybody doing okay. That was a small update. Lockdown is not funny, but if everybody goes out every day, you know, it's not gonna get better. So I hope everybody's safe. I really hope also, you know, things go back to normal again soon, because it's gonna be affected a lot of people. This globally anyway, this pandemic, but it's really gonna affect a lot of people. So hope we can go all back to normal soon. In God, stay safe, guys. Thanks for watching.
Huh? Huh? Gets na. Yan. So we got blocked inside there. Cannot go out. Huh? Very bad. Oh, okay now. I get you there. So. Wait, I go down and then I take you again. 1 second.
Because cannot going down.
Alright.
Finish?
Yo, sorry.
Okay, what okay?
Thank you. Oh, you don't go back to my roof, huh? Okay? You go. I don't know. Oh, don't go back there. Okay. Where's your mom? Oh, you wait here, huh?